Ceralun, the stuff creativity is made of. Ceralun is a versatile and strong two-component ceramic epoxy composite. As an alternative solution to gluing, it offers new design possibilities. Ceralun is characterized by a high level of shock absorbency, hardness, and rigidness, respectively. It is highly resistant to perspiration, humidity, or climatic changes, and because it shows no aging, it will significantly increase the final product quality. It's available in 8 colors. The product can be ordered as a package of 100 grams or 1 kilogram. Before processing, we recommend measuring the surface tension with a test pen. For further information, please consult the application manual, the chapter on gluing. Cut off and weigh the required amount. The two components must be mixed together at a mixing ratio of 1:1. Mix resin and hardener until a homogeneous appearance is achieved. Then place and press the clay onto the relevant area. Mold the surface of the required shape and smooth the surface. Ceralun that has already been mixed can be stored in a freezer for up to 24 hours. This makes it possible to pause the setting process and continue again later without losing the adhesion force. Pick up the crystal with a vacuum pickup system or with a pair of tweezers or a wax stick. Carefully place the crystal and press it down gently. Take care that the pavilion of the crystal is surrounded by Ceralun right up to the level of the stone's girdle. It is not necessary to leave any particular space between the crystals when setting them. We recommend a maximum working time of 2 hours at a temperature of 23 degrees centigrade. The stamping technique is suitable to produce structured surfaces. Pre-treat the pattern cautiously with the recommended release agent. Gently press it onto the surface and remove it. Then the crystals can be set. The work and cost-saving method of using 3D silicone molds is recommended for larger production units. First, press the Ceralun into the 3D silicone mold to form the required shape. Any overlapping material can be trimmed off with a knife. In order to make it easier for you to remove the Ceralun from the mold, it should first be stored in the freezer. The length of time the filled mold should remain in the freezer depends on the thickness and the amount of the Ceralun used. After taking the mold out of the freezer, the Ceralun can be removed from it and gently pressed into place on the chosen object. Please be sure to remove any condensed water. Once the Ceralun reaches a lukewarm temperature, you can proceed with setting the crystals. The hardening time and final adhesion strength are dependent on the temperature. Ceralun is specially tailored to embed foiled and unfoiled Swarovski crystals, so the mirrored surface of the crystal is optimally protected against mechanical stress. Ceralun offers totally new design possibilities for the apparel, jewelry, watches, and interior segments.